Oh, but guys, mujebale ko anti ndi ku airport sebaka. Kakati ndi n'omukulu Bruce Melody ali Kampala tulize anti festival tuba. Festival 12 Kololo. Sawemo. Sawa 11 in fact tuberenga fena tuli Kololo. Tugende tuwagira omukulu Eddy Kenzo. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
How is Uganda?
Very good.
How is our airport?
Very nice.
Yeah,
very nice. Yes.
Do you feel the weather?
Sure. It's a bit hot. Yeah.
It's hot? Uganda
Yeah,
is hot.
Yeah, Kigali was a bit cool. Yeah.
Oh, Kigali is a bit cool more than Uganda.
Yes.
Oh, thank you for coming here. You've come to support Eddy Kenzo?
Sure. Eddy Kenzo Festival, Saturday. I'm so excited. Come, buy a ticket, and let's have fun. Bruce Melody, I'm here. I'm going to perform all my songs. If you are my fan, you don't want to miss this out.
So, Ugandans are excited about this festival. What should they expect from you?
As I said, I'm going to perform each and every song of mine, and it's going to be a live performance. If you missed my voice or if you want to see me performing, just come.
Live performance. Live performance. Yeah. So, are you married?
Yes.
Eh? You know, you're going to disappoint these girls who are coming in the festival.
They know that I'm married, but I do good music.
So you don't need a second.
I love all these women around. Like, I love them so much.
You love Ugandan.
Yes.
We know how to cook matoke.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'll eat your matoke.
And chinyebwa.
Chinyebwa.
Yeah.
Nechenyanja.
Yeah. At least you should get someone from here. At least.
Not
to disappoint us. Eh?
Sure. I have to eat the food.
Yeah.
I will eat the food.
Not the food, not matoke. At least to feel proud that we have some Uganda representing us in Rwanda.
Let's first meet at the venue.
At the festival.
And at the festival, I'll perform, and then after performance, we'll see.
Banange, twetege on that Deretas Kwetega, this man is here. Eh? We Kwetega, then we can at least represent Uganda. You know Ugandans here. Eh?
Hanyuma abanyarwanda, abafana banje bari muri Kampala, muri Uganda, muze turye show kwa kundi tujya tubigenza I Kigali. Yuhu!
So I forgot to ask you bite.
Ni byiza.
Amakuru.
Ni beza.
You know, I was in Rwanda like 20 years back. I was there in Lemela.
That's a long time ago.
Yeah, I was there when I was young. So even like 2 weeks I was there.
Oh.
Yeah, I enjoyed the airport.
Oh, welcome back home.
Yeah, you have the other cartoon that is called what? Agasha. Did you bring Agasha here?
No. I didn't know you loved Agasha.
Oh, yeah. That's great. Nice time. Enjoy Uganda.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.